Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Grace Boutique. In today's video, I'm going to do a Loom With Me finally. Ignore that. I was listening to music and I forgot to go to my radio, so ignore that. Today's video, I'm going to make Gingercels Octopus. Not like the... Do I have it? Yeah. Not this one. I know I made the leg a little bit too long, that's why I didn't post this one. But not this one, it's the other one. Every single time. But yeah, so I have I have the colors color that I'm gonna do, and it's purple jelly. I am running low on jelly bands, so I couldn't figure out what color I wanted to do my octopus. And then I have my beads. So let's just get started with oh, I need a C-clip. I forgot about that. I need a C-clip. Move this over here. I need a C-clip. I have way too many C-clips and I don't know what to do with them. Like I even have like a case, but if you saw my I'll fix that. If you saw my accessories tour video, I have like a case full of just C-clips because I don't want just baggies laying around, so I have that. But yeah, I thought I'm probably gonna call it a finger puppet octopus because you can literally just put it on your finger. So that's what I'm calling it. And I also have polyfill right next to me, so that's good. I thought this would be a cute little simple design to make for Loom With Me. It took me like almost an hour to figure out what I'm gonna make. Like I was gonna do like a mini, one of the mini zooms, but I feel like that would be like an hour-long video, and I'm not gonna edit an hour-long video. So I don't know if this is gonna be an hour long. I'm probably just gonna do the body and then do the legs off camera, and then the thumbnail will be what it is of what I'm making. Need 5 in the cap band. But yeah. So I just hit 700 subscribers. Well, 701. That is crazy. Sorry, I just got my thing. That is crazy to me. Wasn't expecting to get that many. Like, I did lose subscribers because I haven't been posting, so that's my bad. But now that I did a Facebook video, I can post more things than just on my desk. Well, I'm literally filming on my desk right now. But, you know what I mean. Just not, like, face down on my desk because there was a lot of, like, videos I can't do. I can't think. Like, Loom With Me's, I feel like these are better and fun to do. Get my cigarette. That's fine. It's a lot of crinkling. But I thought I could do more of those and crochet with me, and you could. No, you can't see it. Oh wait, yeah, you can. Of what I'm actually making right now. So I'm going on a little vacation soon, and I'm so excited. It's like a little weekend. It's on President's Day weekend, I think. Yeah. And I already said, but I'm so excited. I am gonna do a crochet with me road trip video. I think that'd be so much fun. Because the place I'm going to, I'm not gonna say yet. I'm gonna wait. It's next month, so you can wait a couple. But I am really excited about going because I haven't been since 2019. So excited. We're going to like a little the concert tribute thing for what's his name? I can't say his name. What's it? Leslie Jordan. who passed away in a car wreck, and he was like a big comedian slash country artist, so my parents and my aunt loved him, and my cousin, so we're going to that. And I am really excited because of the people that's going to be there. I mean, you can if you heard about it, you know what show I'm talking about and where it's at. But I'm not going to say where it's at because I'm going to do a vlog of me. I'm hoping there's a yarn store near there. I've never been to a yarn store. There is one near my house. I just never been because it's so expensive. So I usually just go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's. But hopefully there's a yarn store. Maybe I'll do like a little vlog. Yeah, who knows? But yeah, I'm almost out of the body. And it's 4 minutes and I just got this done. And it's already 4 minutes. But yeah, so I am really excited. I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna crochet. It's a 4-hour car ride, so I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna crochet for 4 hours. Maybe multiple things, maybe one thing. I kind of have one project in mind that I could probably do in the car ride, but I kind of want to do it at home so it'll be easy to concentrate. And I'm still working on my cardigan. I'm not done. I am a slow procrastinator. Is that how you say it? Yeah. Because like if I'm really enjoying something, I can get it done. And then if I don't enjoy it, then like I'm enjoying it, don't get me wrong. But I keep saying but so much. Anyways. Yeah, so it's taking me a long time to finish it. Because I'm making sure I'm doing it right. And it's my first ever cardigan. Well, no, not my first. I'm actually working on another one that I'm doing a video on. And that won't be out for a while because I'm almost out of the yarn I'm using and I have to go get more, but I just haven't had the chance to go out and get more. Oh, hello, people. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Now I'm just doing 2 rows of single crochet. This video is not gonna be that long. Usually a lot of Loom With Me videos I've seen are like 13 minutes long. Well, it could be that if I keep talking. I don't think it's gonna be that long. Hopefully it's not, because I don't like editing very long videos. So I really do tutorials anymore. Only if I like something. Like if I really like what I make or someone else's design, I will do it. But I said that again. Do 2 rows of single crochet, and I'm almost. Is this the first row? Yes. I know this is a random project, but it's by Gingercels, and it's small. It's cute. Never made one before, and it's been out since 2020, and I haven't made it. I was gonna do a blueberry, but I really wanted to save it for a different video. Her blueberry. And I was gonna do Zoom Zoom, but I feel like Zoom Zooms would take an hour-long video, and I don't want to do an hour-long video. And I know a lot of people don't want to watch an hour-long video. So maybe if I pick out a fast, simple Zoom Zoom design, then maybe it won't be an hour-long video. So I did do a cow, which I haven't given to that person yet because I've been stuck in quarantine, so that's it. And she's on vacation right now, and I can give it to Papa right there. I'm almost done with the body. I'm looking at my iPad, so if you see me looking over here, that's what I'm looking at, is my iPad. And I just flung that band. I'm gonna do the legs off camera because it doesn't say how to do the legs. It just says add legs. So I'm gonna do the legs off camera and the eyes because the eyes are, well, I do have safety eyes. I'm just running very low and I need to order some. So after this video, I'm gonna go see if my dad can order it. I thought I had an extra container, but I guess I threw that one away because it was empty. And I just put the rest of them in the other one. Now I have to do decrease every third. And then 2 rows normal again. I hate single crochet rows, especially for big things. I never like doing the single crochet rows for big things. I literally have like a bunny that I need to finish, and I just haven't finished him yet, and it was from last year. Oops. So maybe this year I will finish it for Easter. I want to finish. I'm just waiting for Easter to be appropriate to post. I mean, you can post bunnies any day for crocheting. For me, I like doing holiday things. So I'm gonna wait. Just never had time to finish it because of school. I'm not in school anymore, so I can loom and crochet as much as I want. Till I actually start working. And then we'll see about my schedule. Sorry, the fan's on. The heat's on. It's very cold where I am. It was warm last week, then it came a bad storm, and then it got cold. It's like in the 40s. And I'm wearing a short sleeve shirt. But I'm staying at home, so it's fine. It's fine. Now I have to do 2 more rows of single crochet. This video is probably very boring. I don't know what things to talk about honestly with these, so I don't know why I do them. I'm just trying to figure out rainbow balloon videos to post because I don't do tutorials much anymore because they take so long. I'm not great explaining things. If I do tutorials, it's like small little things or zooms. I just really don't do tutorials because people don't make my things. What's the point? Maybe one day. If I come up with crochet patterns, maybe one day. Not like clothing patterns, but possibly like little charms or something. Have to do another row. Twitter notification. Fun. It's already 12 minutes, good lord. And I just gotten done with, almost done with the party. I'm gonna end the video in a few minutes. And on the thumbnail, you will see this little octopus guy. She has 2 different ones, like I said. I'm doing like the ones with the very long legs. Do we need to stuff him? No, we don't need to stuff him. I don't think. It's like a finger puppet. That's the word. Finger puppet. That's the word. I was trying to come up with the thing besides like a full round octopus is to finger puppet. Now I gotta do decrease again every third. I don't know, I just thought oh, click my keyboard. A octopus would be cute. I will do Zoom Zoom one day. I just gotta have the time to film it. Decrease. One. Two. So that's the body. I know it looks weird. I just gotta add the eyes and the legs. And I will do that off camera because it's already 15 minutes long. So I'll do it off camera and then you guys will see the thumbnail and on my Instagram if you want to go see it, forever_looming. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this with Loom With Me. I know it was very boring. I just don't know what looming videos to post as of right now because I have so many crochet videos in my head that I really want to do. So yeah, if you want more Loom With Me videos, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the notification bell, and then I will see about more Loom videos, and then I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye guys.